I'm gonna do a experiment. So you need some apple cider vinegar with some baking soda and a balloon, and it doesn't matter what balloon you use or what color balloon you use, and you need a spoon. So let's get started. Well, first you have to have a bottle, an empty bottle of water. You pour the vinegar in. And then I might need my mom to help me do this one. So you get some baking powder, put it in the balloon. Yep, I'm definitely gonna need some help. Do not do this without a parent. I suggest do not do this without a parent.
How many scoops?
And you will need 7 scoops. And if you need some more of that, I'll just get some more. No, yeah, you do have some more. How do you open this? Sorry about that, my mom just had to get some baking soda in my bowl.
What number are we up to? It's 5, right?
I might just do one more.
Extra scoop.
Since I didn't get that much in there.
Okay.
Okay, so when you have your balloon full, like not all the way full, you need like 7 scoops. But if you don't get that much in there, you can add 8. And then you just put the balloon.
Let me do it.
On top. Mom, you better get over here. And you dump the powder down in. And it blows the balloon up for you. Which is pretty neat. And when we first did this, it did not do this. And then it settles back down. And then if you still have some powder in there, it does that again. If you knock it down. But I only had a little. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I let go of it, and my mom yelled at me, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you go on YouTube, try to find so one guy doing this, and he is doing a other experiment. If you want to see that experiment, let me know in the comments below, and I will try to get you there. Bye.